Hello everyone, this is Prashant here and welcome to my channel Food and Craft. Today I'm going to show you a typical way of cooking fish curry, Manipuri fish curry, which is known as Nga Atoi Bathongpa. So I'll take you through the step-by-step process of how to cook fish curry, the Nga Atoi Bathongpa, the Manipuri fish curry. So let's go and check out the ingredients at first and then I'll tell you how to cook while cooking. One piece of potato, I've sliced them into small pieces. Two pieces of tomato, I've already sliced them. 2 pieces of onion, 15 to 20 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized ginger. So here I'm using 1 kilo of raw fish. So for this recipe, you need to cut the fish into small pieces. Say for suppose around 1 inch. So you can't cut the fish into big pieces. 5 to 6 pieces of green chili, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. I've already mixed the corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of green peas, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, salt as per your taste, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. This one is very important. This one is side, so you need to use this to temper the fish to give you more taste. So at first we'll heat up the pan. So as soon as the pan gets heat up, we'll pour some oil, some cooking oil. You can take something around 50 ml of oil, and let's wait for the oil to get heat up. As soon as the oil get heat up, first we're gonna take few pieces of fish and then we're gonna fry the fish. We're not gonna fry all the fish. We're just gonna take few pieces of fish and then we're gonna fry them. Now the fish is already fried, so we can take them out. And now we're gonna put some bay leaf, onion, but you need to leave some onion so that you can use it for tempering, and then garlic, ginger. Actually you can mix everything and then you can put it, because you're not going to saute this until it become dark brown. You just need to saute this until it become light brown. So now as the color changes into light brown, so now you can put the tomato, the green pea, stir it nicely, don't make it burn. Now you can add the potato. Potato is optional, by the way, if you don't want potato, you can leave it. Give a good stir, and now you can add all the spices: cumin powder, coriander powder, green chili, red chili, salt as per your taste, turmeric powder. Stir it nicely, and now you can put 1 glass of water and make it boil. Now after the gravy get boiled, you can add the fresh fish. Stir it nicely and make it boil. Now you can add the corn flour. This corn flour is to make the gravy thick. Lower the flame and then cover the lid. Cover it for 15 minutes so that the fish get cooked nicely. After 15 minutes, you can open the lid and give a good stir. But never stir from the middle. Stir it this way, like the way how I'm stirring here. And now you can add hing and black pepper. Again, lower the flame and cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can open the lid and again give a good stir so that it may not get burned from below. Now I'm gonna crush some potato and some fish so that the gravy will be more thicker and the gravy will be more tasty this way. So after crushing some potato and fish, now we're gonna add 2 glasses of water for the gravy and make it boil. Now while the curry is boiling, we'll heat up some oil in one small pan. So I'm taking one tarka pan and put something around 30 ml of oil. And now I'm gonna saute the chive. Now as soon as you put the chive, cover the lid because lots of spark will come out from the chive while frying it. Now after sauteing for a few minutes, now you can add the onion. And to make it more tasty, we're gonna add half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder. And then saute it for a few minutes until the onion and the chive get nicely cooked. And here, as the fish curry is boiling nicely, so we're gonna add those fried fish which we have fried earlier. And then give a good stir. And now it's time to temper the curry. To temper it, this is gonna give a very good taste because the chive goes really well with fish curry. This is a typical way of cooking fish curry in Manipuri style because Manipuri used to cook fish curry with chive. So give a good stir and make it boil for 2 minutes and then it's done. So the fish curry is ready to have. The tasty and yummy Manipuri fish curry. Finally, the fish curry is done and now it's ready to have. And I'm feeling damn hungry now. I'm going to jump into the food. So you know the step-by-step process now, so you can go and prepare it yourself. So let me go and have my food. And yeah, if you like the video, please do give me a thumbs up and please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.